Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change themes in Cloud Code. So once you open Cloud Code, you simply have to go to your account here, and from there go ahead and click on settings. Or you can literally just click on control and a question mark. Now here you will be able to be on this page, which is the second settings page. Let's go ahead and click on general, and from here you will be able to go to appearances, and here where you can change the theme. So you can change it to be either white, desktop, like this, or like that. It's really depends on you. You can even change the font type, Anthropic Serif, Anthropic Sans, system, and the lexic friendly. Here also you can change the voice from languages. As you can see, you can choose from different languages. And here also the style, battery, airy, mellow, glassy, rounded. And finally here you can choose the speed, slow, fast, or normal. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can literally change the themes in Cloud Code. Also, for those who mean with the theme, the actual versions of models, well, you can literally just go to the plus button here. As you can see, next to the right, you will find the models. So simply just go here and choose whatever theme you'd like. There is the Fable 5, which is the toughest challenges, and this one is currently available. The government of the USA has stopped it because of some security reason. There is Opus 4.8, Sonnet, and HiQ. So you can literally choose whatever you want from here. And make sure to choose an effort. That depends on how difficult and complex the task that you are going to give it to the AI. If the task was very simple and easy, you simply have to choose low. If the task was pretty difficult and very complex, just choose max. But make sure that you have enough tokens, since it will consume a lot of your tokens. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us beautiful comments. See you guys in the upcoming video.